Hello there, welcome back. So Google has this pattern of reusing the smartphone hardware. We know that they have been using the same camera sensor for a couple of years, then just last year they switched every camera on the smartphone. Now this year the same cycle gets repeated with the cameras, which is as expected, but now new reports from 9to5 Google suggests Google isn't planning to switch much in the display category as well. In fact, the current driver information points to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro using identical Samsung panels as last year. We are not just talking identical specs, mind you, but identical Samsung-made components, at least based on the unchanged designations of the two panels found in the new drivers. This means that the baseline Pixel 7 will have a 1080p panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, just like the Pixel 6, while the Pro model will bump that up to 120Hz 1440p screen, just like the 6 Pro. However, rumors are that the Pixel 7 Pro may gain ability to run natively in 1080p mode to save you every last bit of juice. That being said, the Pixel 7 is going to be a tad smaller than the Pixel 6, being 1mm narrower and 2mm shorter. On the other hand, the Pixel 7 Pro's size is identical to the Pixel 6 Pro's, and the same goes for its screen. Overall, these newly uncovered display specs seems to further the idea that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be more iterative entries, at least in the hardware department. Other than these new leaks, we have some previous leaks which we would like to share with you guys and wrap up this video. You might have seen the design. Google is keeping the horizontal camera bar introduced with the Pixel 6, but it's making some tweaks. Now it comes with two cameras in a pill-shaped cutout, while the 7 Pro adds a third dot camera cutout to the mix. Other than that, it's pretty much the same looking smartphone. One of the major hardware change is the next generation Tensor chip. We don't yet know what it will offer, but Google promised it will feature faster performance and new improvements. This GS201 chip, internally known as Cloud Reaper, is rumored to be paired with an unreleased G5300B Samsung modem. Another major improvement might come in the form of a more reliable fingerprint reader. Could be similar to Pixel 6a's different sensor. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro's in-display fingerprint sensors were too slow and unreliable. Google went so far as to initially claim that the scanners were slower due to enhanced security algorithms, subsequently issuing an update to speed things up. Well, all that could be fixed with the new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. As for the rest of the specs, price and availability, we would like to take some time, and once we have some concrete evidence, I will let you know. So that's it, thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.